Your expensive gaming rig is probably sitting on the floor right now, collecting dust and choking for air while taking up all your legroom. This heavy-duty hanging bracket promises to lift your PC off the ground and give it a full 360-degree spin while completely transforming your workspace. It is honestly one of those upgrades you do not realize you need until you actually see it in action. Most of us just shove our computer towers under the desk and hope for the best, but that leads to poor airflow and a nightmare when you need to plug in a new peripheral. This adjustable mainframe host box stand changes that dynamic entirely by suspending the computer directly beneath the desk surface. The build quality feels incredibly solid and durable, which is exactly what you want when you are trusting it with your expensive hardware. It is designed to be universal fitting, about 99% of the computer cases on the market today. As long as the tower is less than 550 millimeters tall and between 135 to 235 millimeters wide, it should slide right in. The height and width adjustments are smooth and allow for a snug fit that feels secure rather than flimsy. The real star of the show is that 360-degree swivel feature. Imagine never having to crawl under your desk with a flashlight again, just to find a DisplayPort or a USB slot. You just give the tower a gentle nudge, and it rotates around to face you, making cable management and maintenance a breeze. It feels like a premium experience that adds a level of sophistication to any setup. Installation is surprisingly straightforward and does not require an engineering degree to get it mounted properly. It clears up so much floor space that the whole room feels bigger and cleaner. If you are looking for a way to protect your PC from dust while making your desk look like a professional workstation, this is a fantastic solution. It is a simple, sturdy, and highly functional piece of gear that solves a problem most people just learn to live with. This stand is a must-have for anyone looking to clean up their setup and protect their investment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.